It is the 1st of August, and this is the time of year that we start to see things cooking up in the tropics. And it just so happens that we have two tropical waves. The first one marching across the Atlantic. This is Invest 96L. This system tracking west at 16 miles per hour. You can see it's pretty disorganized right now. However, as it continues to make its way in this area into early next week, there is the potential for it to develop into maybe a tropical depression or maybe even a tropical storm. And if it does turn into a named storm, we'll check off that third name on the list. That'll be Chantal. Of course, we'll keep our eyes on that. Here is the second tropical wave that we are watching. This system not likely going to develop into anything. However, what it is going to do is bring up those rain chances through the weekend. So for today, we have a 50% chance for rain, 60% on your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That number goes up to about a 70% chance for rain. So here's all that moisture continuing to be pumped into our area. Right now, we are tracking some rain already from some of this moisture pushing through. So you can see from Martin County going to St. Lucie County, parts of Lake Okeechobee, we are seeing some heavier rain, heavier downpours out there. Across Palm Beach County, we're already starting to see some cells pop up there. And then offshore, you can see some more rain developing there. That could be tracking onshore as we head into your lunch hour today. So let's get a look at Vipercast here. Keep in mind, we have a lot of clouds overhead. So unless we see some breaks in those clouds or unless we see that sea breeze develop, not likely going to be seeing those showers and some thunderstorms. However, we still have that 50% chance for rain, and this computer model is still picking up on that chance for some showers and thunderstorms throughout the afternoon. Now, I think things really starting to pick up later on in the evening. We're talking maybe 6, 7, 8 o'clock tonight. Best chance for rain into maybe this evening into the overnight hours. And as you're waking up tomorrow morning, you might want to plan ahead of time for a soggy early morning commute. So you might want to set those clocks a little bit earlier for tonight to plan for that commute tomorrow morning. In terms of how much rain we could see into the next few days here, we're talking upwards of maybe 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, which could result in some flooding across the area, especially considering we have those high tides. So coastal flooding not out of the question. In terms of those temperatures, we're going to be in the upper 80s through Sunday. We have a 50% chance for rain today, 60% on your Friday, and rain chances at 70% for both Saturday and your Sunday.